Here's how you can hide YouTube Shorts. So, before starting, I have a message for you. There is no official turn off Shorts button on YouTube, but the methods I'm going to show you actually will reduce or almost remove Shorts from your YouTube. So, step 1 is using the not interested button. Simply open YouTube and you will see your YouTube feed where you will see your shorts appearing at the top or anywhere on the page. Simply click the three-dotted icon at the top right of Shorts and click Show Fewer Shorts. Now, if you see Shorts again, or if you refresh the page, you won't see Shorts again. But if you see Shorts again, do this few times and YouTube will stop showing most of the shorts. Now, step 2 is filtering shorts from search. So whenever you search something, YouTube will show you videos and shorts with it. Simply click on the three-dotted icon in the top right and click Search Filters. Now, choose All After Type and click Videos. Now click Apply, and that will instantly remove shorts from the search results completely, and you won't see a single short on this page. Now, step 3 is avoiding clicking shorts. So, don't watch or like shorts at all. YouTube algorithm pushes more shorts based on your activity. So make sure you only watch YouTube videos, not shorts. Now, for a stronger control, you can use browser and extensions on PC, or you can use modded apps on Android, and these can hide shorts almost completely, but they are not official and can get you in a little trouble. So, final tip, you cannot fully disable shorts, but using the not interested plus search filter is almost effective combo to clean your feed fast. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.